Hey guys, it's Tanaya. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about a booking site, okay? If you are a lash artist like me, or if you are a beauty professional, you offer services, it is so important to have a booking site. When I first started my business, I didn't have a booking site at all, and it was a huge pain because you have a ton of people either texting you, messaging you on apps, different apps, social media apps, people calling you, and like it's hard to manage your schedule and who booked what time. It's just all over the place. So when I switched and got a booking app, it made my life so much easier. So I'm so excited to share with you the Readyhubb booking app. Let's talk about it. Okay, so the Readyhubb app is a appointment booking app. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make your account and all the features that it has and stuff, but it is super important to have a booking app in your business because you want all of your clients going to one place. I can't tell you how many times people would ask me like, oh, okay, what appointments do you have available for today or in the next coming week? Or I'm interested in getting eyelash extensions. How can I book you? I can easily text them a link, or I can airdrop my booking link. I can put that booking link on my social media pages. If I send out email marketing campaigns to my clients, I can always put in my booking link so people have easy access to my link. And the thing that I love about having a booking site the most is your clients or prospective clients have 24/7 access to that link. So depending on how you do your settings, which I'm going to walk you through, somebody can be laying in their bed 8 o'clock at night watching their favorite TV show and say, oh, let me go book Tanaya for lash extensions. I'm going to click on her link because I already have it and make my appointment for the next day or the following week. People have access, so you'll be, going around your house, cleaning your house, or you're out and about, and you'll get notifications on your phone that you have new appointments. And you don't have to call anybody, you don't have to text anybody, you don't have to worry about taking payment, meeting up to take deposits or anything. It's all done in one place, which is gonna make your life so much easier because it's made mine so much easier. Like, I'm never going back to just manually doing appointments. That is a thing of the past. So let's get into Readyhubb because they got a ton of features that I'm really feeling, and I know y'all are gonna like too. Okay, so when you go into the app on the phone, you're gonna go right into the app store and download Readyhubb. So once you have that all downloaded and everything, they're gonna ask for your name. So for me, I put my business name because once you set everything up, you can list your account as showing like your business name or your personal name. So that's kind of up to you. So I put my business name. They're gonna ask for your birthday, your email, your phone number, and all that stuff. And then you're gonna begin to set up your account. Then you're going to list what type of services you provide. So they have one specifically for lashes, so I picked that one. That's what I provide. You can also pick another industry, so I picked esthetician. So if you offer lashing and waxing, if you offer lashes and facials, or if you do something completely different, you may find it on there because this is for freelancers as well. So you can pick what category you fall into, and then you're good with that part. Once you kind of get all that set up, then you're going to be able to add a bio about your business. So just put, hey, my name is Tanaya. I offer eyelash extensions and waxing in the Eatontown, New Jersey area. So you can put a little bit about yourself. Also, the thing I really love about this app, y'all, is you can put like FAQs or common questions in there. So I put like, what are lash extensions, and put the answers to it. I put, do eyelash extensions ruin your natural lashes? You can put how do I take care of eyelash extensions, and put that in there. All those common questions that people ask you, what's the difference between a classic set and a hybrid set, or what's the difference between a hybrid full set and a volume full set, you can put that all there. So all those questions that your clients constantly ask, you can put there. You can also put your policies in there as well, so everything will be like right there for your clients. Like, it's so informative because you'll have your policies, your bio, so people can get to know you. You'll have the common questions that people ask, so when someone comes on your booking site, they'll have all the information there that they need. Another thing that I really like is you can add your portfolio. So you can add eyelash extension pictures like of your work, or if you do waxing, or if you do facials, you can show before and after photos. So people have your portfolio right there. So it's like as soon as you send somebody your booking link, they have access to your pictures of your work. They know all your policies. They have answers to common questions that they're probably going to want to talk to you about. And once you set up your you make your account and you set up your banking information with it, you can take payments right on there, which makes everything so easy. Do you know how many of my clients pay with card? Almost all of them. So you definitely want to have a booking app that accepts payment right there. Okay, now once you're all set up, like you upload what you want your policies to be, your bio, you upload your portfolio pictures and all that, you have your business name showing on there. You're gonna basically pop up to this screen, which I'll show you guys. It's gonna immediately show you your calendar for the day, so you'll be able to scroll up and see what appointments you have for the day. And then you can also, you know, just keep scrolling over and see, like if you wanted to go 2 weeks out, you can just see your calendar. And you can also tap on the inbox button down at the bottom, and then you'll be able to look at any notifications that you have, because you can talk directly to your clients on here. That's awesome. That is freaking awesome. So once they have their account, they can talk to you and say, hey, I may be running 5 minutes late, or hey, is it okay if I come 10 minutes early, or I'm lost. Like you can instantly talk here. You don't have to like click on their number and then go in your text messaging and then text them. Like you can talk to them right here, which is amazing. Because if you're comparing this to Acuity, in Acuity I would have to copy their number from their appointment that they made and then go into my text message box outside of the app and then text them. I can do everything right in here, which is like amazing. Super, super amazing. So you can look at your messages, look at notifications in here, which is cool. They also have the analytics feature right in here. And in Acuity, the analytics feature does not look like this. Typically, like if I want to look at my analytics, I have to log in on the computer so I get a better look. But what I really like about this is, first you see the number of all of your clients from the mobile app. Don't get that over there at Acuity. The amount of new clients, your walk-ins, your low engagement clients, that's really cool to know, because right now, like I kind of do that manually on my own, and like I kind of keep a mental note of who comes the most, because here right on the app you can see who your top 5 clients are. And I'm like, that's amazing, because I'm doing that mentally on my own, you know, because right now, like comparing it to Acuity, they don't have this. And then you can see your client analytics. So you can see your new clients for the month, which I track manually on my own. Amount of bookings, appointments you completed for the month, the amount of no-shows, the amount of bookings canceled. And they show it to you right here on the app. Like if you're comparing this to Acuity, like I literally have to log in on my computer so I can get the full picture and see everything, you know. But it's not like presented in this nice, modern, updated way. Straight to the point. I can go right in my app and literally see what's going on from an analytical standpoint in my business. So that's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. And then you have your profile tab, your account settings and stuff like that. So just being able to talk directly to your clients alone in this app, you got me. You got me. Like this is amazing, because you save so much time, like from copying the number and then going to your text messages on your phone and then texting them. You know, you can get your automated messages sent right through here, like super easy. You know, just being able to chat with your clients right then and there is a game changer, hands down. So I know my girls want to know, how much is this a month? So for the pro account, it's $28 a month, but you can try this app for free for 14 days. So go ahead and download this, get your pictures on there, put your policies, your bio, get all of that stuff going, and really test out the app and see how much you like it. Because once you do get the full-blown account, you can get the confirmations, the reminders, emails, like the emails and stuff like sent to your clients to remind them of their appointments and stuff like that. You can accept cash, debit card, PayPal, credit card with the app as well. So that's cool. So you can take your money through there. Your clients can get reminded about their appointments through there. You can talk to your clients directly through the messaging app on the app, which is so dope. Like, That is like, that's amazing. That's amazing. You'll also have a support system. So you'll have somebody there as like a virtual business manager to answer questions and like help you and stuff like that. So that's really dope. So honestly, you guys, like, where has this been? Because this is amazing, and you can cancel your membership at any time, so you don't gotta worry about that. So I would definitely recommend trying this out for 2 weeks. I'm about to finish setting up my account right now because this seems really, really cool. I like it. All right, you guys, so this app has it all. You can schedule your appointments through here, upload your pictures of your portfolio, talk directly to your clients in the app. You have a virtual business manager. You can accept your payments through there, cash, PayPal, debit card, credit card. I mean, your clients get reminders, you know. What else do you need, honestly? Like, this app, like, where have you been? Okay, where have you been? This is gonna help us out so freaking much. And then they have the marketplace. So once you have your account set up, like, people can see your business. Like, you don't have to solely rely on word of mouth and referrals, and maybe somebody finds you through Google or Instagram. This is another way to gain clients, and we all know how hard it is to gain clients, right? So this is really cool. So definitely test it out. The free trial is for 2 weeks, 14 days, which is like a long period of time to really try out the app and see if you like it. And then the account, like, once you decide to, you know, create the pro account, it's only $28 a month, and you get all of these features. So I think that's a really good deal. So definitely try it out. Go to readyhubb.com, download the app, see if you like it, because you definitely need a booking site if you are running a business, especially a lash extension business or a service-based business. You need a booking site. Please stop answering phone calls late at night, text messages at night or on weekends or your day off, Instagram DMs, you're not even seeing them. Please stop losing out on money because you don't have a booking app, okay? Pay the money per month so that you can have a nice, automated, streamlined business, and people can access your booking site 24/7. They can book you. They can be booking appointments. I've had people book appointments at midnight, okay? Making their appointments at midnight because they're just laid up in their bed and they're like, oh, I need to make my lash appointment with Tanaya. Please don't miss out on money, okay? Invest in your business. This is a really cool app. I really like a lot of the features, so you need to hop on it, mama. Tell me how much you like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.